What are the O-1 Visa extraordinary ability requirements in the arts? The O-1 visa is for persons of extraordinary ability in the arts, entertainment, athletics, sciences, business, and education. In actual fact, anyone who excels in his or her field or specialty can qualify for an O-1 visa. Any artist, performer, entertainer, producer, or designer may apply for a full-time position if they meet the criteria for the visa. The O-1 visa is the perfect visa for visual and performing artists, designers, and consultants who are typically self-employed. Such individuals do not usually have full-time permanent positions but rather work for multiple employers on short or long-term projects or ongoing temporary assignments. The regulations provide that such individuals may use the services of a U.S. agent and do not require a full-time permanent position or employer. Rather, they may have an agent sponsor them. The O-1 visa is granted for a maximum period of 3 years. After that, the alien may apply for annual extensions, or may apply for a new 3-year visa. Arts includes any field of creative activity or endeavor such as fine arts, visual arts, culinary arts, and performing arts. Also included in the categories of essential technical or creative personnel are set designers, choreographers, music coaches, and related professionals. Employers must show that the O-1 artist is recognized as being prominent in his or her field. In the special case of the motion picture or television industries, employers must show that the O-1 artist is recognized as having a demonstrated record of extraordinary achievement in the industry. In either case, this may be done by showing that the artist has been nominated for or has received a significant national or international award or prize, such as an Academy Award, an Emmy, a Grammy, or a Directors Guild Award. Most individuals qualify by submitting evidence in at least 3 of the following categories. 1. Has performed or will perform services as a lead/starring participant in productions or events with distinguished reputations as shown by critical reviews, ads, publicity releases, publications, contracts or endorsements. 2. National or international recognition for achievements through critical reviews, other published materials by or about the beneficiary in major papers, trade journals, magazines, etc. 3. Has performed in a lead, starring or critical role for organizations and establishments that have a distinguished reputation evidenced by media articles, testimonials, etc. 4. Has a record of major commercial or critically acclaimed success. 5. Has achieved significant recognition from organizations, critics, government agencies, or recognized experts. 6. Has commanded or will command a high salary or other remuneration in relation to others in the field. If the foregoing categories of evidence do not readily apply to a particular individual, comparable evidence of extraordinary ability may be submitted. To qualify for an O-1 extraordinary ability visa in the arts, an applicant must demonstrate sustained national or international acclaim, proving they are among a small percentage at the very top of their field, typically by providing evidence like major awards, critical acclaim from prominent publications, leading roles in distinguished productions, and a record of significant commercial success within the arts industry, usually needing to meet at least 3 of these criteria to satisfy the requirements. The following are important issues about O-1 visa application in the arts. 1. Evidence of distinction. Applicants must present substantial proof of their exceptional ability through awards, reviews, publications, and significant roles in renowned productions. 2. Leading roles in distinguished productions. Performing in prominent roles within critically acclaimed productions is a significant factor. 3. Critical acclaim. Positive reviews from respected critics and publications are essential. 4. Membership in prestigious organizations. Belonging to organizations that recognize outstanding achievements in the arts can be beneficial. 5. High commercial success. Demonstrating substantial commercial success through box office numbers, album sales, or other relevant metrics can be considered. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.